Motor learning is the process of acquiring new skills and improving existing ones through practice and experience. It involves changes in the nervous system that allow us to perform movements more efficiently and effectively. Whether we are learning to ride a bike, play the piano, or simply walk, motor learning is essential for our daily lives. Motor learning is a complex process that is influenced by a variety of factors, including our age, fitness level, and motivation. It is also affected by the type of skill being learned, the environment in which it is being learned, and the feedback we receive during practice. Transfer of learning refers to the influence of prior learning on the acquisition of new skills. It is the ability to apply what we have learned in one context to a new situation. For example, a skilled tennis player may find it easier to learn how to play squash because the two sports share some similarities. Transfer of learning can be positive, negative, or neutral. Positive transfer occurs when prior learning facilitates the acquisition of a new skill, while negative transfer occurs when prior learning hinders the learning process. Neutral transfer occurs when prior learning has no effect on the acquisition of a new skill. Transfer of learning is an essential concept in coaching because it can help athletes learn new skills more quickly and effectively. Coaches can use their understanding of transfer of learning to design training programs that maximize positive transfer and minimize negative transfer. For example, a coach might use drills that simulate game-like situations to help athletes transfer their skills from practice to competition. They might also break down complex skills into smaller, more manageable parts that are easier for athletes to learn. There are three main categories of transfer of learning. Skill-to-skill transfer occurs when the learning of one skill influences the learning of another skill. For example, learning to throw a ball can transfer to learning to throw a javelin. Theory-to-practice transfer occurs when theoretical knowledge is applied to a practical situation. For example, a coach might teach athletes about the biomechanics of a particular movement and then have them practice that movement. Training to competition transfer occurs when skills learned in training are transferred to a competition environment. For example, an athlete might practice their free throws in a quiet gym, but they need to be able to perform those same free throws under pressure in a game.